Top 2 ways to sterilize seed starting mix. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to sterilize seed starting mix. If you buy seed starting mix at a store or you make your own seed starting mix at home, you can sterilize the seed starting mix. It will get rid of any insects, bugs, or fungi that's growing in the seed starting mix. So let's start and I'll show you how to do that. So if you buy seed starting mix like this from the store, or you make your own seed starting mix like this, you can sterilize it. So we're gonna sterilize it, and what we're gonna use is hot water to sterilize it. You want to have boiling water. You can use hot water like this. See, bubbling water, it's hot water. You can use like hot water like that, or if you have any other means of heating your water, you can use that. Or if you have a little water heater like this, you can use this. This one is gonna be easy for me to hold the counter and pour it at the same time. So we're gonna do it with this, and then if we need more, we can get more. So let's put our hot water in our seed starting mix. So you want to make sure that it's enough. You have enough water. So we're gonna pour. Since it's a lot of potting mix, I'm gonna pour all of these. If I need more, I'll get more from the other. And you need a tool to mix it up. You don't want to use your hand because it's very hot. So I'm just using this stick. You can use this stick to just mix it up. Like I said, this is a lot of potting mix, and I'm gonna use it for starting my seeds. So, but if you don't need this much, then you can use a little quantity. But I'm just gonna sterilize all of them now, and then use it bit by bit and start my seeds now. So we just want to mix it up, just get to the bottom of it. You can see the steam coming out. So after you're done mixing it up like this, you want to let it cool down to room temperature. I'll say usually let it cool down for like an hour before you use it, because if you put your seeds in there now, it's gonna kill the seeds because it's too hot. So what you do is just you can just cover it like that, let it sit for an hour or more. Then you come back and then you can use it to start your seeds. That will kill all the insects and fungi and everything in the seed starting mix. Another way to sterilize is to use a tray aluminum foil like this, and then moisten your seed starting mix and put it inside. Let's do that right now. So moisten your seed starting mix like this, then you just put it in here. Next thing, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cover it. Just use aluminum foil. The reason I'm using aluminum foil is just to maintain the moisture and the temperature in there, and so it doesn't dry out easily. You can still use it without using the aluminum foil to cover it. You can just use a tray and just heat it in the tray like that, but I'm just covering it to maintain the moisture in there. So now we're gonna put it in the oven. Once you put it in the oven, you set the temperature to 400 and let it stay in there for like 45 minutes to an hour, and then you can take it out, let it cool, and you all set. an hour. We're gonna take it out. It's been more than an hour since we took it out of the oven and let it cool. Now that it's cool, we're gonna be able to use it to start our seeds. So now we're gonna put it into our tray. So you wanna put it into your tray, and then you plant your seeds. So you putting it, loading your tray up with your seed starting mix. You wanna make sure that you fill up all the holes and you compress it or compact it down so that it has a wicking effect of all the water that you have at the bottom of the tray like this. If you're using a tray like this. If you like the video, please smash the like button and don't forget to share. So you want to press it in. You want to compact it so that it can wick up water. Let me know if you know of another method of sterilizing seeds, your seed starting mix. Let me know in the comments below if you know of another method that you can do that. Also, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'll try to answer as many of them as possible. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. That's the only way I know you guys love the videos that I'm producing and you're interested in viewing more videos. Just like and subscribe, and don't forget to share with friends or family or anybody that you think might be interested in the video. Now we're gonna continue filling up the rest of the holes or the tray with our seed starting mix. Once we're done filling it up, then we can start planting our seeds into the seed starting tray. Okay, we're done filling up the seed starting tray with our seed starting mix. All we have to do now is plant. Depending on what seeds you want to plant, you can just plant your seeds and then put it in a nice warm area and put a grow light or put it under the sunlight or windowsill. Then you're all set. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.